Screwdriver kits from Powerology. These kits are available in two series. The first series is an electronic screwdriver that includes 48 different heads. The kit's case is magnetic, allowing for easy placement of various heads in their respective spots. The material is steel covered in aluminium. It has a strong motor reaching speed of up to 200 rotations per minute and LED lights attached to the product, making operation smoother. It has a battery capacity of 350 mAh. It charges via Type-C cable with the battery going from 0 to 100 in less than an hour. On a full charge, it can serve you efficiently for up to 30 days. Finally, it comes with a plethora of useful tools that makes this product special, such as a magnetic plates, pliers, a magnet, and even a SIM card pin. The second series of this kit includes 30 different heads and a fixed handle. The handle and heads of this kit are made of stainless steel, encased in aluminium, a compact and portable toolbox with a many interchangeable of useful heads. To place an order, please contact us.